Hey, it's LSFT here today, and today we have an announcement to make. Toyota starts making the fifth generation RX Lexus SUV in the Canadian plant, where most of the RX were built, even the previous generation. So you can see now, as part of this press release, Lexus has now announced that they have started producing the fifth generation RX. So if you're waiting for an RX and your name's on the list, you may be seeing your RX very soon. So it did say here that Toyota Motor Manufacturing Canada started yesterday producing the fifth generation Lexus RX. So November 8th, so it was November 7th when they started making the RX. And then they start talking about um, the TMMC is Toyota's first facility outside of Japan that could actually produce a Lexus vehicle. And now they have actually produced 1.5 million Lexus RXs. That's a lot. And this year, we also know that the Lexus NX and NX hybrid are also made in the same facility. And also the RAV4 and RAV4 hybrid is also too. So now they're producing the 2023 Lexus RX 350, 350h, and 500h for the North American market, where a lot of the sales are actually made. So it just gives you a little bit more information about TMMC. I think we've talked about that before in my channel, and it does say that Toyota invests $9.8 billion in the Canadian operations since 1985, where the plant is made, and it's produced more than 9 million vehicles over that time period. So they're soon getting to the 10 millionth vehicle very soon, and they've also earned 20 JD Power Awards, which is quite significant for a plant. So then they start talking about the new 2023 RX, and if you follow my channel, you have already seen a lot of videos about the 2023 RX. And I'm excited to see how this RX compares to the NX. Definitely, I would say I'm expecting it to be a little bit more quieter, a little bit more refined, and we'll see how that all shows up. So it's great news that you can see that the 2023 RX is now being produced, and soon it will be shipped to the dealers and you can test drive them. You can, if your name's on the list, you're going to be getting your vehicle very soon. Hopefully, this is a good start and there will be no delays because of shortages of parts and all that. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please comment, like, and share this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel and press that alert button to get notified when new videos are posted. If you'd like to support the channel, you can definitely provide a super thanks. I'll see you guys again next time in the next video.